which they are located to you. Just you want to open a bank. There is things you must fill up and get have authorization. Now, there is now like what you call the financial, all the mutual, they grow up. You know, like when you are working, you can say that, okay, it is like those group of workers who say that let us put our money aside for a while, and after that we will get it. You see, that is where it will grow. It is not like old mutual. Go to the bank card. They do have the bank card. ATM, where they can draw money. Yeah, those are the institutions which they have got authorization. And the one I'm telling you now, we have got FNB and ABSA. Those are the private banks, commercial private banks. When we say commercial, they're where they are selling. The banks sell services.
Exactly, yeah.
The banks doesn't help. The bank sells services. But the old mutual is like it's like a cushion where you keep your money. Maybe another time when you do, maybe you are going to your retirement. You say that, okay, I will go to the World Mutual to see my account where how level my money is. You see? And now when you go to FNB, it's just you go in, you deposit your money. And that one, the old mutual means it's like going straight with companies. Most of companies, they do. It's not everyone. There is those companies who are in a relationship with all. And now, here in ABSA, FNB is private. You wake up today, you say, I'll go and open my bank account. See the difference? Yeah, there where is the services they sell. They sell services. And that is the only, all of them, they are keeping money. They are dealing with money. And they coming with the man, the president of banks is a reserve bank. It's a reserve bank who has got power of money. All the money we have, we call money. First, when you call money, it's only after the ATM. Then now we are calling that money.